my new core belief. My life provides me with daily abundant sensations of taste, color, beauty, sounds and kindness.
Life provides me with abundant sensations.
Taste of lovely food. The color of the plants and trees. Beauty of seeing the skyline, or even watching cute animals on the street or on video. Listening to great music. Experiencing people showing me kindness. At the store or wherever. Every day my life gives me the opportunity to learn something new. I also get to travel to beautiful places. For decades I have sustained myself and found a way through. Whatever happens, I can choose to relax and remember that I have had great moments and that it has been worth it. My story is unique and it does not need to match any expectations.